Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.
How big the system is, the forward speed, and exactly where the storm comes ashore. And, you know, it's a science, and with these science things, you know, we forecast for the absolute best that we can here. Let's talk about those winds, because it was cranking out there. Lake Charles, 134 miles an hour. In fact, the radar was taken out, and so, you know, places like Cameron, Louisiana, 127 for our gusts here, and that took out power. Look at Louisiana, over 500,000 customers. That's not people, that is customers. Keep that in mind. You could have 4, 5, 6 people living in one house. So many more people are without power if you look at it like that. So the problem is it's going to be hot. I know that we have those heat alerts up towards Shreveport and Texarkana, but even down here in the southern parishes, it's hot, it's humid, and though people are used to it, that's still really tough conditions to, you know, start picking up the pieces, as you see behind me here. But heat indices, you know, are going to be in the upper 90s and triple digits as well. Now, Kelly, quite a different story into the Northeast.
Yeah, we had quite the line of vicious storms move across there, Steph, knocking power out there as well. And now we have to prepare for another round of...
Just Stephanie Abrams alongside meteorologist Jim Cantori in Lake Charles. Kelly Cass is in studio for us. And I have a mask on because we're about to speak with the mayor here about the city of Lake Charles. And in 6 minutes, we're also going to talk about those ongoing storms, the severe weather in the Midwest, and how that's going to shift into the Northeast. But first, let's check in with Jim. Jim, behind me, if people are just joining us, we had a huge communication tower cut through 2 buildings here, but the town is devastated.
Yeah, Steph, it's really awful. Hey, look over your, I'm trying to remember where you were.